Hello, I'm Pierre Voltier from France. I'm French snowboarder in snowboard cross. I'm Olympic champion in Sochi 2014. And I come to Estonia a lot. My wife is Estonian, so it brings me every spring a long period in Estonia. Snowboard cross is a sport where we start 6 riders in the same gate, and principally the fastest arrives down as first and win the competition. The course is full of banks, rollers, a lot of jumps, and yeah, so it is gate open, you go for it, and you want to be the first one. I actually discovered Spot of Tallinn about a month ago, and I figured out that it's a really great place for me to train. The pump track right here, which is very close to my sport about pumping, absorbing, turning in the banks. The bowl, which is right here, it's very important as well for me to really feel those transitions and pump in the transition. And back there, the trampolines to feel good in the air. It's just the perfect place for me to train.
All right, nice.
Away we go, and it's a good pull again from Olli Junin in the white. The Russian is into the lead. Second place at the moment for Pierre Vautier. Third place for Alex Daybold. But Olli Junin hasn't got a great run over those first kickers. Is he about to lose the lead to Vautier? Looks like it. Vautier is now into first place. Olli Junin in second. Still third for Daybold. Fourth at the moment for Paul-Henri Delarue. Fifth for Mattioti. Sixth place for Stian Sivertsen. But Pierre Vautier it is who is in the lead. I mean, the third place has just gone Delarue. And back up into the lead is going Olli Junin. He's got the outside line on the left-hander now. Had the lead for a brief time, but it's back for Pierre Vautier. It's French versus Russians for the Olympic gold. Oh, and down, that's a big fall for Mattioti. That's a real shame for Luca, the Italian. But here now into the final 2 corners is the battle for the gold. Nikolai Olli Junin, the Russian, looks to the inside of the final corner, gets alongside, but I don't think he's going to quite have enough. It's a drag race towards the line. Vautier lands it, and he is the Olympic champion. Second place for Nikolai Olli Junin. Third for Alex Daybold. But Pierre Vautier, in his third Olympic Winter Games, wins the gold medal.